In this video, we'll walk you through the Quick Start Guide. Before using the EVO Wireless Video Doorbell for the first time, we recommend charging it fully with the included USB-C charging cable. Open the access flap on the rear. Insert the USB-C charging cable. Then insert the other end into a USB wall charger. The light ring around the doorbell will glow blue while charging. The light will turn off when it's fully charged. Once charging is complete, unplug the cable. A microSD card is required for the doorbell to record and store event clips locally. To install a microSD card, insert it into the slot with the gold contacts facing up and press in until you hear it click. Now, secure the cover. Now remove the chime's battery compartment cover by sliding it down. Then insert two AA batteries, ensuring the polarity matches the polarity markings. Now replace the cover. To pair the chime, press and hold the Set button on the chime for about 3 seconds until the LED flashes blue and you hear,
"Ready for pairing. Please press and hold the ring button on the doorbell to connect."
Now press and hold the doorbell button for about 3 seconds until the chime's LED indicator deilluminates, confirming successful pairing. If you fail to complete the pairing within 90 seconds, pairing will terminate automatically, as evidenced by the LED's deillumination. Repeat the previous steps to reattempt pairing. To test the chime, press the doorbell and listen for the chime. To change the melody, press the Set button to select the next melody, then press the doorbell to hear the selected melody. There are a total of 6 melodies. Repeat the previous steps to play the next melody.